Arcadia Earth Toronto is located at 486 Front Street West, inside the Well, downtown Toronto, Ontario, Canada. This central location makes it easily accessible by public transit or car, and it's situated within a vibrant hub of shopping, dining, and entertainment, enhancing the overall visitor experience. Arcadia Earth is a multi-sensory journey that combines creative art installations and exciting technology to inspire visitors to take action towards a more sustainable future. You can either download the app on your phone, or visitors are typically provided with tablets on site using driver license. The app allows to scan exhibits, to unlock augmented reality, access extra information and interactive content about each room, and play educational mini-games showing the environmental impact of choices and save favorite moments. Visitors walk through a series of themed rooms that each explore different environmental issues, from ocean ecosystems and wildlife to pollution, sustainability, and climate change, all through stunning visuals and interactive displays. Some spaces even allow guests to use an AR app to interact with digital elements and learn how everyday choices affect the planet. The One Drop Room at Arcadia Earth Toronto is an immersive space dedicated to the importance of water and its role in sustaining life on Earth. Through flowing visuals, sound, and interactive design, the room surrounds visitors with the beauty of oceans, rivers, and rainfall, while also highlighting the fragile balance of aquatic ecosystems. It draws attention to issues such as pollution, water scarcity, and human impact on natural water sources. E-Waste Generator or Electronics Room at Arcadia Earth Toronto highlights the growing problem of electronic waste and its impact on the environment.
Hey! Quick question. Do you consider yourself addicted to technology?
Surrounded by striking installations made from discarded devices, visitors see how everyday technology contributes to pollution and resource depletion. The room explains what happens to old phones, computers, and batteries when they are thrown away, revealing the hidden environmental cost of constant upgrades. Through immersive visuals and storytelling, the space encourages people to rethink consumption habits, recycle responsibly, and choose more sustainable options when using and replacing electronic devices in daily life. The From Within room at Arcadia Earth Toronto is a visually stunning space that immerses visitors in Earth's ecosystems. Using vibrant lights, projections, and interactive elements, it showcases the beauty and fragility of nature, encouraging reflection on human impact and the importance of environmental stewardship. Fishtainable room at Arcadia Earth, Toronto focuses on the health of our oceans and sustainable fishing practices. Immersive visuals, soundscapes, and interactive installations bring marine ecosystems to life, highlighting the impact of overfishing, pollution, and climate change on aquatic life. Visitors learn how human actions affect the delicate balance of ocean environments and how sustainable choices can help protect marine biodiversity. The room often features art made from reclaimed materials, such as fishing nets, reinforcing the message of reuse and conservation. Fishtainable inspires awareness and encourages responsible stewardship of ocean resources.
How are you doing today? Good, over you? Doing good. So welcome to our Be Thankful exhibit. And above us, you're looking at a beehive, which is all made out of pages from library books. So this was all handmade by an artist, Samuel Green, and she worked on it with a few others. There's also 4 triggers in this room that you can scan through the app, all of them on the ground. And there's also 5 noses. And behind each nose, each of them has a scent or a smell of the journey to bee pollination.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
The Be Thankful room at Arcadia Earth, Toronto is a multi-sensory experience dedicated to the vital role of bees in our ecosystems. This room combines striking visual art, interactive installations, and carefully curated scents to immerse visitors in the world of pollinators. Guests are guided through vibrant landscapes representing meadows, orchards, and wildflower fields, learning how bees sustain plant life and contribute to food production. The sensory elements, including aromas of flowers and honey, help make the ecological importance of bees tangible. The exhibit also highlights the challenges bees face, such as habitat loss, pesticides, and climate change, showing the consequences of human activity on these essential creatures. By engaging visitors' senses and emotions, Be Thankful inspires awareness, appreciation, and actionable steps, encouraging everyone to protect pollinators and support biodiversity in their own communities. Regeneration Room at Arcadia Earth, Toronto focuses on the restoration and renewal of natural ecosystems. Using immersive visuals, projection mapping, and interactive storytelling, the room presents two contrasting futures. One where human neglect leads to environmental decline, and one where thoughtful conservation and sustainable practices allow nature to recover. Visitors experience the beauty of thriving habitats, flourishing wildlife, and restored landscapes, reinforcing the importance of environmental stewardship. The space encourages reflection on human responsibility and inspires actionable steps to protect and regenerate the planet, emphasizing hope, resilience, and the possibility of positive change.
The choice is ours.
Your Action Matters inspires visitors to actively contribute to a sustainable future and reinforces the exhibit's message that every choice counts. It is an interactive space emphasizing the power of individual choices in protecting the environment. Visitors see how small daily actions, like reducing waste, conserving water, or choosing sustainable products, create a ripple effect that benefits the planet. The room encourages reflection and empowers guests to take responsibility for their ecological footprint. One should visit Arcadia Earth, Toronto to experience stunning immersive art while learning about the environment. See how human actions impact the planet and be inspired to take meaningful steps toward a more sustainable future.